Beijing Landwell Electron Technology Company Limited is engaged in the research, development, sales, and service of RFID Intelligent Key Management System and Guard Tour System since 1999. Today, we are the leading brand in the field of Intelligent Key Management System and Guard Tour System. We are seeking to cooperate with more customers and devoting ourselves to create excellent products and solutions for identification and safety of people, keys, and assets. Right now, many new developed products were continually launched into the security market in recent years. From the traditional industrial intelligent key management system to the nowadays Android version key management system and smart key longest key management system for office and small and medium-sized companies. Key longest makes your office more smarter, work environment more advanced. Landwell keeps up with the times and customers' requirements all the time. More than 100,000 users around the world are using our products safely every day. So far, our products are distributed all over the world, such as American, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Canada, Mexico, Italy, Poland, Turkey, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, and Dubai. At the same time, consistent, reliable quality, good after-sales service, and favorable price are the main reasons to be the leading firm in security fields. In addition, we have obtained ROS, CE, UKCA, and FCC certificates. At last, we sincerely hope to establish friendly and mutual beneficial business relationship with every customer.